artificial intelligence, the basis of AI, is tons amounts of data. I mean, a huge amount of data is what is required for the AI to be relatively accurate. So look at the paradox here. You need a ton of data to have accurate forecasts or predictions, okay? You need tons of data. So you need to start there. You need to start with the data. Before going into AI, you need to start with the data. So you need an easy way to collect data. And this is where we are focused today. We need an easy way to collect quality data, and lots of it. And this is where we focus all our efforts in the development stage. We focus on quantity of quality data. And after that, then you are positioning yourself to reap the benefits of AI forecasts, predictions, and whatnot, okay? And only then, after this quality and quantity, well, quantity of quality data,